In this video, I will share to you about how to make a woodworking simple bench with natural backrest in Sketchup. Okay, let's begin the tutorial. First of all, we have to make the basic shape with using the rotate rectangle or rectangle. But in this video, I will share to you about how to use the rotate rectangle to facilitate us to make it easier. Okay, we can click this origin and we can drag to the another side around 1.3 meter, enter, and set the pointer to the behind around 500 millimeter, and click the surface and push pull, click the surface again and move above around the thickness of the board of this bench around 40 millimeter, and enter. Okay, then now we can click this tab measure tool, click this edge and place to the middle of this board, and click this guideline again and move to the behind or the front around 10 millimeter, enter. Then we can click this line and click this intersection and click to this intersection, and again we can click this line, click this intersection and click this intersection. Okay, then we can click this little surface in here and select push pull and click the surface, and we can move it to the bottom until the limit like this. Okay, and it have been deleted. We have to delete this one with eraser tool and just click on the edge so the plane are automatically erased. And also don't forget to erase this line also. Okay, then we can delete several guideline here, right click and erase. Then we can select all by select from the left top until the right bottom, right click, make group and assign the wood material like this. Click this wood material on the materials menu and click on this object. Okay, then now we can move this board to the above around 400 millimeter or 450 millimeter, enter. And now we can draw the guideline in here using the tab measure tool. Click this edge and place to this edge, and again and click this edge and place to this edge, and we can make this bottom edge bottom guideline here. We can click this tab measure tool, click this edge and place to the bottom. Okay, so we can see about it. Then now we can make the vertical board in here to make a support of this bench. We can using the rectangle, click this surface, click this intersection until click this end point. Okay, then we can click the surface, select push pull, click the surface and move to the left side around 40 millimeter, enter, and triple click, right click, make group and also make component, create and assign the wood materials. Okay, then we can select move, click this endpoint, tap control and place to this position. And again we can click this both of this vertical board. Okay, by select this one and tap shift on keyboard and click this one and click this move tool, click this corner and tap control on keyboard and place to this corner. And now we can right click and make unique to difference the both of this vertical board and to adjust the position with using the push pull click this surface, place to this surface. Okay, then now we can make an additional support in here. We can use the tab measure tool, click this surface, this guideline, tap shift on the green axis and click on the middle like this, and we can click on this edge and move it up or move it above around 500 millimeter. Enter. Now we can click this line. Sorry, we have to duplicate this one again. We can click this tab measure tool, click this line, and we can drag to the left side around 8 millimeter. Enter. Or maybe we can type 50 millimeter. Enter. And we can erase this guideline. Okay, then we can select line, click this intersection, and we can draw it. Okay, then we can click this surface, select push pull, click this surface to this position. Then we can triple click, right click, make group, and we can assign these materials. Okay, then now we can click this board and click this line, click this intersection, and click this object, this intersection again. Click this surface, click push pull, click on the face, and click on the edge. Okay. Okay, then we can click this one, right click and make component, create. Then we can select move, click this edge and tap control on our keyboard and tap shift to make sure it's straight forward, and click the surface, and again we can triple click this board again. Then we can select line, click this intersection like this, then we can click the surface, click push pull, click the surface again, and move to this, push to this face. And so we can get the connection between the board and the rest support like this. Okay, then now we can make the organic or natural backrest in here. We can using the tab measure tool, click this edge and tap shift on the magenta line and click to this top surface or the edge, and click this surface and click this edge. Okay, and move to this side. Okay, now we can using the rectangle, click this any position on this and click to this any position on this. I'm sorry, we have to click this surface, this rectangle, click this intersection and click to this any side of this edge and drag to the position like this. Okay, then now we can triple click and select offset and click this edge and offset it outside around 100 millimeter. Enter. Now we can delete the inner line like this. We can select the shift and right click and erase. Then we can draw the natural look of this board with using freehand like this. We can draw. Okay, we can using freehand, we can draw for any position like this. You can draw the natural wood like this. Okay, you can draw the natural wood like this. Okay, then we can click this surface, right click, erase, click the surface, right click and erase. And now we can erase some extra extension line or extra line like this with using eraser tool. Click this line and click on the guideline. Okay, now we can click the surface and select push pull, click the surface and push to the front around 20 or 30 millimeter, enter. Then we can triple click, right click, make group, and then we can assign with the wood lumber butt joint like this. Okay, so this is about the chair and natural backrest like this. Now we can activate the shadow, and also we can activate the white background like this to make it more clear look, just like this. So you can improve about the frame to more detail with your own exercise. Then I will show you about the dimension like this, and about the height of this bench and the depth of this bench, and also the height of the armrest approximately like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.